Morning guys, it's Wednesday? Yes, Wednesday. I have just had the whole table out with the middle bit in because we are selling it. I love this table, but I just don't like the shape of it for this room. I found one that's like a really long rectangle that extends to like 2.5 meters, so you can fit 10 people around it. So I've just given this a bit of a polish and I put it on the internet. You can't see me because the light in here is so bright. There we are. I'm going to move this. I think I'm going to move this to that corner, and then I'm going to have the table in the middle. That is my plan. I just thought, I don't know if that is going to be in the way of my stag head. I'm going to have to measure to see. I think I'm going to put that on that wall. I'm going to have the table in the middle here. That is one of my jobs for today. Another job for today, like, look at my office. Like, seriously, it is an actual tip. There is just stuff everywhere, so that needs to be done. I want to sort out the Christmas decorations because I will quickly go and show you guys. Look, you right there, little fish? You eating strawberries? You bite it? Good job. Mika's at nursery all day today. We got this today as well. This just came in the post. This is Gecko and it's like a door wedge. He's over there. He's giving me the stink eye. Look at that. It's a bit of banana next to him. He's like, no, I'm not eating anything. He's so grumpy. Ari, you okay? Little bites. Yeah, I want to kind of get the Christmas decorations sorted because it's the 21st of November today, and my tree is going up on the 1st of December in preparation for Vlogmas. I'm so excited. I've already got the Christmas lights up, but I wanted to show you my Christmas decorations. You can't judge. No judging. You can judge how close I was then. Okay, this is my cupboard of shame. I've already removed this from it. Prepare yourselves. Look at this. It's literally just suitcases, Christmas decorations, wallpaper, books, shoes. There's more stuff in this cupboard. It's been like the dumping ground. We had everything in there because our friend stayed over and stayed in here the other day. But now it's just sort of turned into, my tumble dryer's here. My Halloween tree's still there. It's just kind of turned into a dumping ground for pants. So I need to get all this sorted. And then, once all this is sorted, I need to sort out the Christmas decorations. Ari's coming up, I'll just get her. Okay, Christmas decks are out. All that crap is back in. My washing's sorted there. I've just got to put it away, and I've found some more I need to do. So I've got some little Christmas trees, the big Christmas tree, a little wooden train. This just looks like a giant bag of tinsel. Oh, these are the girls in here. I like bagged them up. The girls have got their own decorations for their trees. So that's Aria's bag of decorations. And that's me because they chose these. And then we've got some stockings, some baubles, a big fat robin. I don't really know what colours I want to do this year. I kind of like this really dark blue and black. I don't know. There's a lot in there. There's a lot going on in there. And then there's another one here, which has got like more little Christmas trees in it. More little elf things. My wreath is in here. My wreath for my front door, which is really pretty. My mum got me that a couple of years ago. So that'll go on the front door. And then we've just got a load of pine cones. Oh God, look. Mouldy. Oh, that's so gross. Mouldy orange slices. Wow, that's gross. I am launching this out of the window. I know. That's just fell on a bin. That's fine. Oh no, this has got mould on it. That'll have to be washed. I'll have to put him in the wash. Took him downstairs to be washed. Found my Santa Stop Here sign. Some Christmas cards. Found this little thing. So it's all here now. We just need to, I think I'm going to sort through it so I know where I want to put stuff and see if I need anything else, because this house is bigger, so there's more room for me to decorate. But yeah, we're going to shut the cupboard. We're going to shut the cupboard of shame. Like, we're going to shut the cupboard of shame and see you later. Bye.
Of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, pick, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
It is Wednesday evening. I've just done my eyebrows bigger than usual. I'm not sure how I feel about them. Might be a bit too big just here. We're just gonna film like this. Look at my family room at the minute. I bought a new table, a second-hand table. This one. I haven't got a spanner to do these bits up. It's there. It's a big rectangle one, and then it's also got these two end bits on, so it's really long. And then these are the new chairs, so I need to sell this one ASAP because there is too many chairs and tables in this room right now. But I need to do some orders because I've just had a massive order on Etsy for like 50 quid, which is amazing. That never happens. Someone's bought like 19 Christmas cards, which is just wonderful. So thank you so much to the lady who has purchased my cards. I'm now going to get making them and sorting out the envelopes and stuff for postage because it's going to be a big one. So yeah, we're now going to make Gecko's house nicer.
Yeah.
He's got a bit of salad stuck to his face.
Yeah.
What you doing, mate? What you doing? We've got some tiles and we're going to put a dig box in as well for him. And the girls are going to look after him in a little tub over here with Ben while I do the Viv. That is the plan. He's so grumpy. He's a grumpy boy. I'm going to put sand and swirl in here, which is what you need to do. Dig box. Grubby hands. I've put some tiles. And then he's got his little dig box up here in the cool end. I think it looks really smart. And he's just here. What are you doing?
He's looking around.
What are you doing? Good boy.
Keep him.
You got him?
You look like you're having fun, Mika.
How's
he feel?
Lovely.
Lovely.
Is it Ari's turn? That. Okay, you can have like that. Oh, I think you did a wee on you, Mika.
It's okay.
Leave your hands where they are.
I'll just sort Ari out and I'll...
Put him back in his... Oh, he pooped on you, Aria.
Just let him finish his poop, otherwise he'll do it on the floor. It's alright, we'll get it. He's back in. He's shit on the girls. Yeah, he started to do it on Mika and then Ben didn't realise, and then he just finished on Aria and the sofa. So the girls are upstairs getting new trousers. I put him back in and he's just licking everything. So we'll see what he thinks. I'll just film him for a bit and we can see if he explores